What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to create short URL. For example, if you need to email somebody or text somebody, or you're talking over the phone and you're just trying to tell them some kind of website, but the URL is huge. Like for example, this is my YouTube channel and URL is big and you don't want to tell anybody over the phone this whole URL. So what we need to do, we need to use URL shortener. There are few major ones out there. The first one is tinyURL, then there is URL shortener, then there is cutURL, and then there is Bitly. There are actually few more, but this is just the main ones that I'm going to show you. So for example, we go back to our long URL and then just highlight it and then right click on it and then copy. And then let's go to tinyURL and then you just paste it here and then click on make tinyURL, and that's it. This is our URL. So what you can do, you can just click on copy to clipboard, or you can just right click on it and then copy. And let's open a new tab and then right click and then paste, and then you can see this is tinyURL website, and then you press enter and you can see it took us to our original URL. And same thing with the URL shortener website. Just go here, right click, paste your link, and then click on shorten URL. And then this is the URL. You can just copy and then open a new tab, paste and go. Same URL. It's taking us to the same website. And same thing with Cutly. Paste it here and then click on shorten. And same thing, we're gonna get short URL. And then another one, Bitly, exactly same way. Put a link here and click on shorten. And I will put all links in the description below. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.